Okay, you guys, this is a messy one. Remember last year when Malcolm-Jamal Warner passed from a drowning incident? Well, after his death, a lot of us were surprised and didn't even know he was married. He kept his marriage and wife's identity pretty private. Well, now you guys, as usual, the shizzle done hit the fan. And over what? Money. And who's mad? The wife. The shocker is Malcolm-Jamal Warner left all his money to his mama. Now the secret wife is out of hiding and suing his estate for all the money she's claiming she's owed. So let's get into this MTO story, spilling all the tea, you guys. A heartbreaking family court battle has officially erupted following the tragic passing of beloved Cosby Show legend Malcolm-Jamal Warner. MTO has obtained exclusive explosive court filings showing that Malcolm's widow is taking his own mother to court over a massive multi-million-dollar fortune. Exactly 1 year after the 54-year-old actor tragically drowned while on vacation in Costa Rica in July of 2025, his widow, Tanisha Warner, officially filed a heavy lawsuit in DeKalb County Superior Court. Tanisha is suing Malcolm's mother, Pamela Warner, who controls the actor's massive family trust, claiming she is being completely blocked from receiving over $1.2 million that Malcolm legally promised her. According to the official court complaint obtained by MTO, Tanisha and Malcolm signed a detailed prenuptial agreement just 1 week before their May 2022 wedding. At the time, Malcolm was bringing in an estimated $680,000 a year with a net worth of around $3.4 million, a figure backed by decades of Cosby Show royalties and television earnings funneling directly into his 1996 Warner Family Trust. Tanisha's lawsuit lays out a laundry list of alleged broken promises from that agreement. Life insurance. Malcolm agreed to secure and maintain a $1 million life insurance policy with Tanisha listed as the sole beneficiary, which she claims he completely failed to set up. Chief of Staff salary. Under a prenup, Malcolm agreed to pay Tanisha $5,000 per month as his personal chief of staff, plus a $16,000 annual anniversary gift, which she claims was never paid out. Damn, it looked like he didn't keep none of his promises. Based on what she's saying. Retirement and college funds. He also allegedly broke promises to fund a tax-free retirement account for her and maintain college savings for their children. Losing a husband in such a sudden traumatic ocean accident is already an unthinkable nightmare. But when you add a multi-million-dollar trust, an unrepresented estate, and a prenup with unfulfilled clauses, things get real messy real quick. It's deeply tragic to see a grieving widow and a grieving mother forced into a courtroom battle when both are still processing such immense loss. Now, I would think that the mother, if she is like the administrator of his estate, would definitely want to make sure that the children are, or his daughter is well taken care of. So I would think that she would be somewhat generous to the wife. So I don't know how it ended up like this, but let's go on. Because Malcolm's personal estate is currently unrepresented and lacks sufficient funds, Tanisha insists the California-based Warner Family Trust, managed by mother-in-law Pamela, must pay up $1,276,000 owed to her as an official creditor. To make sure she isn't left out in the cold, Tanisha's legal team has asked a judge to immediately freeze and block Pamela from distributing any trust property while the legal war plays out in court. Neither Pamela Warner nor attorneys representing Tanisha responded to requests for comment regarding this situation. So everybody is going to be paying attention to this to see what the judge decides. Will he freeze those funds? And, what's going to happen next? But you guys jump in the comments and let me know, what do you think about this court battle? Should the mother-in-law pay out the prenup debt from the family trust, or should the widow back off? You guys let me know what you think. I'm going to say that if you're married and in good standing, if you guys weren't divorced, or if you had like a prenup, that I would think that Malcolm-Jamal Warner, because he seemed like a decent guy, would want to make sure that his wife and family, child, that they are okay and that she's not struggling financially. I'm not saying that she needs to get all of his estate, because clearly he wanted his mom to be good too. But I would think that, there would be some provisions made to make sure that at least his daughter is living in a somewhat decent lifestyle. But you guys jump in the comments, let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.